Hey guys, we're at Hollywood Studios.
That's what you do before a hurricane. And that's what we did before Irma. It's actually the day before that it's supposed to hit. So we're actually here on Labor Day.
And wait time for
Millennium Falcon. Yep.
Is actually sitting at 80 minutes last time I checked.
This is our first time going to Star Wars Land too.
Yes.
So
it's gonna be really, really cool.
Yeah, we're pretty excited.
Oh, hold the umbrella. And guys, opening weekend, you get the cool looking map. So
can't mess it up.
No.
Look, everybody's looking at his shirt. I bought it for him for Christmas.
My favorite villain is
My favorite Disney villain is my wife.
We're married, right? Okay, yeah.
No, I thought it was your girlfriend.
We make people awkward when we do that. Alright, if you haven't done so, subscribe down below, hit that bell icon, like the video, and we'll see you guys in the park. Bye. Guys, look what's open. It's open now. Let's see how I change it.
Because that's all under construction behind us.
Yeah, back there is still under construction. So, yeah.
I don't know what any of this is.
Ooh, and it has a light set. You make it.
How much is it? That's not bad, $30.
It's 30 bucks. Okay, full disclosure, we've never seen a Star Wars movie.
Not a full one. It says you can only get one per guest.
Ornaments too. Oh, it's stuff for your desk.
And a black spire outfit.
That's so cool. That's one thing we do know.
R2D2 and 3CPO. No, C3PO.
Yeah.
Oh wait, this is DJ Rex.
That's the pilot dude. I'll have fast pass for that too.
I don't know if they work.
Huh. Alright guys, we're going to be going in here soon. Galaxy's Edge. Guys, we're about to enter. So guys, we just came through here. We're not even in the whole park yet.
That's where you get those really cool Coke and Sprite and stuff.
So we just stopped over here to get out of the crowd.
It's really cool so far, like the details, like even just right here with the details. It's pretty cool.
Well, just when you guys come through there, that sun hits you like hardcore.
There's cans everywhere here.
I know. But even look at the trash cans. It's cray, y'all.
Okay.
Alright, so like I said, we don't know anything that is Star Wars. Like, there's a gun here. So we're...
Watching other YouTubers.
So we're probably going to get a lot of things wrong.
I don't know what that is.
So, anyway.
There's like everywhere you look, there's something.
I know. So here, look.
If you guys haven't followed us already on Instagram, Brian will put the link down below for our Instagram handle. And then
Yes.
you guys can let us know what stuff is around here.
Yeah. I really don't want to watch all 20 movies.
I think I saw part of like the first part.
One thing I know is Luke, I'm your father.
I mean, I know most of the characters. I like Chewie. I like Chewbacca.
Alright.
And BB-8.
Oh, and the other thing too is there's a whole bunch of trash cans everywhere. They don't want this place to get dirty.
I wouldn't either if you spent how many millions of this.
Yeah. Even the costuming for the cast members are like legit.
Where did they get those? Are those drinks or what is that? $23.
For these, $21?
23.
23. But look.
Guys, this is what they have over here. There's breakfast. And that is located inside over here.
Guys, this is amazing. Guys, they had these fans everywhere. Oh, maybe that was in Toy Story Land. That's what Amber said.
It's not gonna rain that we have the umbrella.
Yep. And here's Toy Story Land. We're on our way to go do our fast pass at Tower. Guys, Legends of Hollywood is now open as well. So we should pop in and take a look. Oh, look at the... Huh. Those are cool. It's for the food, for the photos, and for the ears. There's like a high-end touch to it. Star Wars dress. Oh, and they illuminate.
Like the aerial ones I have.
Those are cool. Oh look, they have nothing but mini. And here's like Pandora's store inside a store. Guys, but look at the chandelier. Here's the storefront. Very nice.
I like this time of night.
Oh, even that's cool as fuck.
Told you.
Watch for pulse damage.
The amount of detail on this thing is amazing.
Hurricane Dorian.
Yeah. Oh, there's Chewy. There's Chewy. Chewy.
What a handsome dude. Wait for a return. Look at the wood carvings over here.
That's cool. Hold on.
Guys, wait for it. The backside of Millennium Falcon.
What is that? How could that have happened? We don't even deliver ion disruptors. They're illegal. You know that. Shifter. Well, you know, I had a bad feeling about that last group. But this, this is the group I've been waiting for. Yes. Come in, come in. I have an opportunity for you all that is very dangerous. I was going to say profitable. You think I'm so heartless I would send my friends to danger? You insult my honor. And believe me, I have very little honor to insult.
What are the engines blowing again?
We'll talk later.
I have to do everything around here.
Yes, yes. Hello, hello, my friends. I am Hondo Onaka, and this is Onaka Transport Solutions. Today, I am offering the opportunity of a lifetime. I need flight crews to transport this valuable merchandise across the galaxy. Pilots to navigate, engineers to operate the ship, and gunners to defend the shipments. And that is where you come. supplies you need. It's a win-win. You help the resistance and...
We're pilots. Scare me. This is mass confusion. Amber.
Yeah.
We're pilots. We're gonna crash.
We're gonna
Oh, don't. Go follow us. We don't know where we're going.
Of coaxial. Gunners, you play the path. Pilots, line up behind the train. And engineers, you harpoon that precious cargo. Now get the move on.
Stop. Everything is perfect. Right there, here's our right up.
Keep shooting.
Down.
They've locked onto us. Take evasive action. There it is. After that train. Engineers, fire the harpoon. Now, gunners, shoot the cargo free. And pilot brakes.
Oh, nice.
That could have been much worse. Okay, it's much worse. Yes, you got one. Excellent, my friends. Now power up the ship.
Fudge.
Will pilot us in. This will greatly help the resistance. You have heard the first order and made Chewie proud. Now have to...
You guys are good pilots.
All right, folks. You see, this happens sometimes when you travel through uncharted regions of the galaxy as much as I do. It is not unusual for a species of... Whoa! Looks like we're...
Guys, we just got done. We were both pilots.
Yeah, it was pilots. It was really fun. It's different, but
It was kind of hard, I ain't gonna lie.
yeah, we only got like 6,100 points, 6,130 points, minus like the.
Yeah, I think we only won like $600 or something.
We got 9,000 before the repairs.
Who knows? But it was fun.
Yeah.
I still think Hagrid's is better.
It's fun. I think we just need to go on it probably like once or twice more to really
Yeah.
get to it.
Maybe. But yeah, so we're gonna continue on and then we'll probably head out.
Alright guys, so we went for the blue milk. We got non-alcoholic. Let's
Go first.
see. Oh man. Alright, it smells good. Honestly, it's good.
You didn't try it though.
Yeah, I did. It's not bad, huh?
That's
It's oddly good, right?
Yeah.
The blue is actually not bad. It's like tropical.
Then
Like-
the aftertaste.
The aftertaste isn't that bad.
I don't know.
I mean, it's not bad like what people said it was. Like, it's like milk. Like, it's hard to explain the,
It's like sour milk.
no, like the texture.
I'm just kidding.
Sour milk?
to see if we can't ride Slink. Hey guys. Well, the things that we do off camera that you guys don't know about. Is that funny? Anyway, so that was our first time in Galaxy's Edge.
Yeah, it was pretty fun.
Yeah.
I liked Millennium Falcon. That was pretty fun.
It was. Yeah, I wish they would have like rules on how to do stuff.
It's like, you don't know what you're doing? Good luck. Well, we don't.
Like, but no, it was fun. I still feel Galaxy's Edge is better. I mean,
No,
Hagrid's.
Hagrid's. You said that a few times and people were laughing.
Yeah. No, I think Hagrid's is better as far as a ride.
Yeah.
The concept of this ride is really cool. It takes first-person shooter slash flight of passage slash Star Tours slash
It was fun though.
everything into one. It made it really cool.
Yeah, and the blue milk was pretty good. It wasn't bad. We'll have to try the green one next time.
Yeah, I still have an aftertaste.
So if you have now.
Hmm?
You have an aftertaste?
Mm-hmm.
That's weird.
Very odd.
But
The galaxies are conspiring against me.
This was our hurricane party.
Yep.
So we went to Disney parks this weekend.
We did.
We just didn't go to.
Universal.
No, what Disney park did we not go to this weekend?
Oh, Magic Kingdom. So, if you haven't done so, please subscribe, hit that bell icon, like it, make a comment. If you disagree with me about the best ride right now in Orlando, that's okay. We'll still be friends.
Leave a comment if you want us to do another giveaway, probably like a Halloween type theme. And invite your friends and stuff. So like we said, the more shares, the more likes, the more subscribers gets us excited to want to do a bigger and better giveaway every single time.
Yep. So, we'll see you guys next time in the parks. Take care and have fun. Bye.